Today we have to continue in the English lesson. We will see steps to success. Look at the number pattern. Fill the blank in the middle of the series or end of the series. Just check the pattern. C D E F G H I J. So IJ, how many places IJ? This is the only place. Then S T U V W. So what is the answer?
V-I-J.
V I J is the answer. Okay. This is the answer. This is the answer. Then come to the second pattern. F A G G A F H A I A H. So middle letter should be A. Correct? In all the patterns we have A. First F A G. You forget F A. You forget A. What is that coming?
F.
G F G. Huh? H I.
J.
Then J K.
J. J.
J and K. Correct?
J.
J and K only will come. How will you put J and A? Because you see F A G G A F. It is coming interchanging. H I H I H. Then H I, after H I what will come? J K.
J. K.
You tell ABC, then you can find E F G H I J K. Then J K only will come. Okay. Then C A is the answer. Okay. Then let us see third one. Read the third one.
E.
E L F A G L H A. So last letter should be A, isn't it? All letters, A is the last one. So we have last letter as A. So okay, answer also all last letter. Then E F C. You tell the pattern E F G H I J K
K. L. K. K.
K L M. So K is the answer. So here you see, here one K is there. Here also one K is there. Which one will come?
K. L.
You see L. You see the second letter L L L L L also. So here KL is there. Here also KL is there. Okay. What is the third letter? F. F G H. F G H I J K L. Okay, L should come. You see here. You see the third letter.
F.
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 Tell me. F.
G. H.
You see here. F G H
I. J.
J
K.
L. So L should come. So D is
K.
the.
L. L. A.
Yes, this is the answer. Okay. Then we will come to fourth one. Read that one. C M M E O O G Q Q dash dash K U U. You just tell ABCD. C
E.
D E F G H I. So yes, I is coming. Which one? This one or this one? We don't know. ISS or ITT?
I don't know.
Then you tell M.
M. N. O. P. P. Q. R. S.
Then which one?
C.
IS. Yes.
I. S.
This is the answer. Okay. Then fifth one. O P Q P O. See in reverse. You see in reverse. O P Q L M N I J K C D E. Then which one is in reverse? F G H.
F. G. H.
This is
A. 1.
Okay.
A1.
A. This is the answer. Correct? Okay. Then what is the next one? The poem of adventures. What is this poem? What are the adventure activities of NCC? What is NCC? NCC means National Cadet Corps. Okay. So this is the students will go to an adventure trips. Okay. Then what can you do? When can you join NCC? There is no NCC in your school. What is the motto of NCC? Okay, then think and answer. Why do we need adventure in life? Then only you will become brave. Then only you will become brave and face the challenges in the life. Face the challenges in the life. Okay. Do you like adventures? Yes, you should like adventures. Why does the NCC conduct adventures activities? Okay, to be brave. Deep inside the mountain, we will read the poem. Deep inside the mountain, the adventures hide themselves. They are of all forms and shapes. They all have an excellent ending because those that live their lives in adventure see the world in extraordinary special way. The people who are living in adventurous life will see the world in special way. Okay, not in the normal way. To attract adventures into the patterns of habit, you only need to close your eyes. That is, you have to dream.
Dream
and ask them to embrace you. Follow you. You can also imagine that you are transparent and feel the wind stream through you. Instead of going against you, you have to allow the wind to go into you rather than passing away. Okay, you have to think and dream. Or imagine there are tiny little wings on your back, and every time you take a new step and bounce a bit. Maybe life itself is one big adventure. Life itself is one big adventure. If only you have to correct shades on. Back in the days of old, when knights were bold, who with a sword or lance in armor sought romance. It was the age of chivalry. Long ago in man's history, when to fight for righteous cause, one did gain considerable applause. You have to fight for the right cause. It was mainly for show, love and glory. They deemed themselves by being worthy to capture the heart of some fair maiden. Which was the most desired prize laden? Oh, they would strike heavily blows on all of their opponents and foes in a one-to-one combat defying death as crowds watched and abated breath. Yes, it was far back to those one days of war that courage of strength came to the fore, where there was this life and death struggle, such issues at hand, the knights would juggle. And in fighting for their country, faith and king, noble impressions on people's mind would ring that even thought the ages are held in high esteem. Those knights in shining armor do now all seem. There are many legends based on their heroic exploits, a legacy of tales which have been told with much adroit, highlighting aspects of human wisdom related to virtue and vice, and the lessons to be learned are those of goodness and sacrifice. History usually repeats itself time and again, and it often happens to situation comes when we are asked to do something for just a cause and acting with chivalry we shouldn't pass. George Crocus. So this poem was written by George Crocus. George Crocus was born in 30th June 1951 in Samos, Greece, and now lives in Melbourne, Australia. He is still living. He is an aspiring poet who has written quite a number of poems inspired by nature, science, philosophy, and spiritual aspects of the life. Okay.
Study Eastern and Western.
Yes, study Eastern and Western religions and associated philosophy for the over 35 years and has practiced various forms of yoga and meditation. So you have to write the meaning of these things. What is lance?
No.
What is the meaning of lance? L-A-N-C-E, lance. We will see what is lance. A long weapon with a wooden shaft at the pointed steel head, formerly used by horsemen. See, this is called lance. Okay. E.T. What is that? E.T. Lance means a long weapon with a wooden shaft and a pointed steel head. This is a steel and this is a wooden handle. This is the wooden handle. Okay, this is the wooden shaft. Okay. Then what is chivalry? What is the meaning of chivalry, appa? Chivalry. Veera Vanakkam.
Veera Vanakkam.
Veera Seyal. Veera Seyal. Yes. Veera Seyal. What is in English? What will you say in English? The medieval knightly system with the religious, moral and social code. Okay. Chivalry. Then abated. Abated. Reduced. Abated means
Reduce.
reduced. Yes. Abated means making reduce. Okay, குறைக்கப்பட்டது. Okay. Then what is impressions? Thinking. Impression, thinking, எண்ணம். Okay. Okay. What I am thinking. That is the thing. Impression. What is the impression about the study? Like that idea, feeling.
Idea.
What do you feel about this? What is your impression about this? Okay, what do you feel about this? Exploit.
Exploit. What is exploit?
Exploit. பயன்படுத்து, யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ. Exploit. Make full use of this. Make full use of this. Make use of. Okay. Adroit. 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 You tell it in adroit.
That means what is that?
Adroit. That means specialization. கை தேர்ந்த. கை தேர்ந்த. Okay. Is specialized in. Okay. Understand or not? கை தேர்ந்த, specialized. Clever. You can say clever. Or skillful. கை தேர்ந்த என்னன்னா skillful. This is the meaning. Read the line and answer the questions. Deep inside the mountain, the adventurers hide themselves. What does that mean? Where do the adventurers hide? The adventurers hide deep inside the mountains. Okay. They are of all forms and shapes. they all have excellent ending. What do have an excellent ending? The adventures have excellent
Excellent
ending.
ending.
What do have excellent ending? The adventures
The adventures
have
have an
excellent
excellent
ending.
ending.
அடுத்தது, when to fight for a righteous cause, one did gain considerable applause. When you are fighting for the righteous cause, சரியான காரணங்களுக்காக சண்டை போட்டா எல்லாருடைய பாராட்டுகளையும் பெறுவோம். That is the Tamil meaning. When will we get applause? When we are fighting for right cause. Okay? When we are fighting for a
Right
cause, we will get applause. Okay? Then, and in fighting for the country, faith and king, noble impressions on people's mind would ring. What does noble impression means? What is noble impression means? What people think about us. Okay, faith on the king. Faith on the king. How would you live? Who can leave a noble impression? People who can leave noble impression. King can leave noble impression. Okay. There are many legends based on their heroic exploits, a legacy of tales which have been told with much adroit. What does heroic exploit means? How bravely he fights for the good cause. Okay. What are legends? The bravery people. Okay. The adventurous people. What is adventure?
The
Answer
adventure.
briefly. What is adventure? Doing brave things. Okay.
Doing the
Brave things. That is adventure. Okay.
adventures.
Then just see the meaning of that one.
Describe
the appearance of a knight.
the
How the
night.
How will he look like? He is very brave. Then he is having a which one?
E.T.
Yeah, with him. Then he is brave and he will fight for the good cause. He will fight for the
Good
good
cause.
cause. That's the thing. What are the characteristics of an adventure? That is also here. With this, the poem lesson
Over.
ends.
Yes, over.